Welcome to our roundup of the best window air conditioners of 2026. Efficient, reliable cooling solutions designed to keep your home comfortable during hot and humid weather. Whether you're trying to cool a small bedroom, a medium-sized living space, or a larger room, a quality window air conditioner can provide strong, consistent cooling while using less space than portable units. Compared to fans or older cooling systems, modern window ACs offer better temperature control, improved energy efficiency, and quieter operation. Today, we've selected some of the best window air conditioners known for their cooling performance, noise levels, smart features, energy savings, and overall value. We'll break down what makes each model stand out, including ideal room size, comfort level, ease of installation, and long-term reliability, so you can confidently choose the right window AC for your space. Let's get started. Starting off with the Molly 6000 BTU window air conditioner. This model is designed for small rooms and users who want simple, budget-friendly cooling without extra complexity. It provides steady and reliable performance for bedrooms, dorm rooms, or home offices, helping maintain a comfortable indoor temperature during warmer days. The compact and lightweight design makes installation easier, even for first-time users, while the straightforward control panel allows you to adjust cooling settings quickly. Users often appreciate its low energy consumption, minimal maintenance requirements, and quiet operation for basic cooling needs, though it's best suited for smaller spaces rather than larger living areas. Moving on to the Antarctic Star 10,000 BTU U-shaped window air conditioner. This unit focuses on comfort, insulation, and reduced noise. Its unique U-shaped design allows the window to close more securely around the unit, helping block outside heat and noise while improving overall energy efficiency. This design also allows more natural light into the room compared to traditional window air conditioners. With its stronger cooling capacity, it performs well in medium-sized rooms and is a great option for bedrooms or workspaces where quiet operation is important. Users often notice improved sleep and less background noise while the unit is running. Next up is the LG 12200 BTU window air conditioner, a well-balanced cooling solution built for medium to large rooms. This model delivers powerful airflow and consistent temperature control, making it effective in hot and humid conditions. It's designed for long operating hours, which makes it suitable for living rooms, larger bedrooms, or shared spaces where cooling is needed throughout the day. The durable build quality and dependable performance have made it a popular choice among users who want effective cooling without relying on advanced smart features. Its simple operation and strong output make it a reliable everyday option. Stepping into smarter and more energy-efficient cooling, the TCL 8000 BTU Q-Series Smart Inverter Window AC offers modern comfort with added convenience. Thanks to inverter technology, this unit adjusts its cooling output based on the room's temperature instead of turning on and off repeatedly. This results in more stable cooling, quieter operation, and lower energy consumption over time. The smart features allow you to control the unit through a mobile app or voice assistance, making it easy to adjust settings even when you're not at home. It's especially well-suited for small to medium rooms and for users who value energy savings and smart home integration. Taking the top spot for power, efficiency, and advanced features is the LG 14000 BTU dual inverter smart window air conditioner. Built for larger rooms and demanding cooling needs, this unit delivers fast and powerful cooling while maintaining low noise levels. The dual inverter technology improves energy efficiency and ensures smoother operation, even during extended use. Smart controls allow for remote access, scheduling, and temperature adjustments, giving you full control over your comfort. Users consistently praise its strong performance, reliability, and ability to keep large spaces cool without excessive energy use, making it one of the best overall window air conditioners available today. All of these window air conditioners are designed to meet different cooling needs and room sizes. The Molly 6000 BTU window AC is ideal for compact spaces and basic cooling, while the Antarctic Star U-shaped AC emphasizes quieter operation and better insulation. The LG 12200 BTU window AC delivers dependable performance for larger rooms. The TCL Q-Series Smart Inverter AC adds smart control and energy efficiency, and the LG 14000 BTU dual inverter AC offers the strongest overall combination of cooling power, efficiency, and modern features. That wraps up our list of the best window air conditioners of 2026. from simple and affordable units to high-performance smart models built for serious cooling. If you're upgrading your home, moving into a new space, or buying your first window AC, there's a great option here waiting for you. Let us know in the comments which window air conditioner you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy a cooler, more comfortable home all season long.